Aged Parent Visa Subclass 804. If you are willing to migrate to Australia and have children residing here with Australian citizenship or an eligible or permanent resident of New Zealand, then Parent Visa Subclass 804 is an ideal option for you to opt. Your spouse or any other dependent member of the family is also entitled to obtain this visa to reside in Australia. Who can apply for this visa? Parents whose children is an Australian citizen or permanent resident, an eligible citizen of New Zealand. Their child has legally lived in Australia for at least 2 years prior to their lodging a visa application. Meet the criteria for balance of family. To be able to provide the character and health requirements, they have a sponsor. What this visa lets you do in Australia: live in Australia for until 2 years as a temporary resident. Live in this country as an Australian permanent resident. General eligibility criteria for this visa: a parent must be sponsored by his or her child or any other individual who is eligible to sponsor in Australia to apply for Parent Visa Australia. The spouse of the applying individual and other dependent members of the family may be included or listed in the application provided that they meet the requirements specified. To be eligible for this visa, a parent must pass the test for balance of family and meet the age requirements. At least half of your children should be living in Australia permanently. How long can I stay in Australia after obtaining this visa? This visa lets you stay in Australia permanently after it has been obtained from the immigration of the country. What is balance of family test? Balance of family test requires that half or more than half of your children should be Australian resident citizens or eligible New Zealand citizens. Balance of family is developed to identify the extent of the applicant's links to Australia. How long this visa takes to process? Parent Visa Subclass 804 is processed in order of the date they are received and are allotted to the applicants as per queue basis.